Oh, that's the bag right there?
Wow.
A lot.
Ooh.
No, that's a fish. But I just see something looks very interesting. That's a snake.
The brown snake.
Brown snake, very dangerous. Oh, yep.
It's an island. Boy. Boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Wagwan beautiful people, you don't know it's Island Boy Africa yesterday. So guys, it's been a long time since I done any fishing video, but this morning I'm back again. You see me? So we at this spot somewhere close to Ballina, but we have to take a ferry to come over to this island. And yeah, so I'm here with my brother-in-law and also some friends from Ni-Venuatu, you know. So yeah, so today we out here guys. It's been raining, so we just get a chance to come out now, and yeah, it's still cloudy and dark and all of that, but yeah, hopefully we get a good fishing day still. And BB coming out as well too, so yeah, she's on her way to come fish. Yeah man, so yeah, expect it to be a good day. Yeah man, so stick around. This is a spot right here. Alright, so let's go now. These are the two fishing rods I'm working with, guys. Yeah. Those are the guys up there coming. So here we go. Out there. Nah. I still haven't felt anything yet. Yeah. What is this? My beard come back the same. First cast.
Okay.
Alright. Just gonna throw out this big rod now. And there we go. Oh, there. So that's out. I've been using this one prawn since I got here, and I haven't really got a bite, but I just lost the bait, so I'm just gonna use fish bait and hopefully catch something. So here we go. Here we go. Gonna check on this big rod now, guys. It's been out there for ages. Don't see nothing going on. No bait. No, that's a fish.
Wait. Keep going.
Fish on now.
Kiwi, yes. Oh, flathead, yeah.
Ooh, flathead.
Yeah!
Alright, that's it. Stop.
Good one.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! I got a fish!
Big one.
Yes, let's go! No one got a fish yet!
Good one. Yes.
Where's my net?
So flathead, guys.
Put it in here!
He was
Put it
chasing
here.
his one. He was chasing it for a while.
Yeah.
Right? Now you be careful. It's very spiky, so you got to grab it from the top. There.
Put it in here.
You have the thing that you used to hold them with?
Yeah. You they've got spikes underneath.
Yeah.
Yes, you're on good, man.
My run is like an excellent baby.
Yeah, like that. I think.
Whoa. Whoa.
Here we go.
Here, Kim, hold it. Take a photo with Uncle Tyrone. Here, hold it. No, here, hold this. Yeah.
I'm very shy.
Nice one.
Hey!
Yep. Big one.
You put it next to your leg. How big is that?
Massive.
Oh, the man. We'll get you another bag now.
Wait. Seems like he has all the luck, guys.
He's on the spot. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Wait.
Tyrone, your big one. Tyrone, your big one. You got something there.
Oh, yep.
Tyrone, oh, go, boy. Kick it. Flathead. Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
Fish on.
Faster! Faster!
Oh, shit.
God. Oh.
Oh, shit, it got off. Well, it got off, guys, so going back. And good signs that fish is out there.
Oh, that's enough, Kim. Yep, stop, leave it there. Leave it there. Let Uncle Tyrone help
Stop! It's stuck on here
you.
now.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
It was a little.
The first brim.
David Johnson! Run!
So this is a brim, guys. Yeah. So the Ni-Venuatu guys, they went to that direction because the last time we came here, we went that way and we caught lots of fish. So I didn't vlog that day, but yeah, that's the spot where it's very active. Yeah, so it's just me and my brother-in-law and his friend's son. Yeah, so that kid is getting lots of bite, man. Yeah, so we'll just stay out here, guys. No, this is such a it's like he's about to put us to shame.
Wait.
Look at that.
Ready now. Go. Wait.
Go.
You got it. Did you get it? Coming,
Seems
heavy?
like it.
Nah. Is it coming?
Nah, it's gone.
Oh, I lost it.
Yeah.
We lost
Okay, we'll throw another one in. Yeah, stop.
His rod keeps on going off
No.
as it goes out. Literally as it drops.
Yes.
Literally as it drops, there's a fish.
One.
No, this is
Oh, you missed it. I think you missed it.
shit. It got away again though.
Oh, you ate it.
That spot right there has.
The onion rod's going off too, alright.
Is it?
Yeah.
Woo! Fish on. Fish on, guys. Ooh, brim. First one. There we go, guys.
One.
He caught another flathead.
One.
I swear he has all the luck.
Yeah, stop. It's gonna fall off. One. What? Stop. It won't go no more. Yep, stop.
Good job.
Put it in here! Come on!
He's on fire!
Yeah.
He's ripping it up with a flash.
Yep.
No, don't kill it. Don't hurt him.
Oh, this little spot right here, guys, look like turtle here. But I just see something looks very interesting. That's a snake. David.
Yeah.
I see two snakes.
Really?
Yeah, are they like mating?
Hold on.
Yep. There's two snakes like wrapped together. I'm guessing that's mating. I'm guessing they're mating or something.
There's a snake over
No,
there.
that's just one.
You sure? I see two
two.
head.
Oh, they're brown snake.
Brown snake, very
Yeah.
dangerous.
They're fighting.
Are they fighting?
Oh, yeah, maybe mating. Look.
They're
Oh.
wrapping themselves
Oh, no,
together.
that's a carpet snake.
Carpet?
Yeah. None. Yeah, no, sorry, green leaf. Green.
green and carbon snake attacking?
They're dangerous?
Nah, not poisonous.
Oh, really? Wow.
Or
You know, this is my
something
first time actually seeing
cactuses?
snake in Australia. Like,
Wow.
literally, other than when we went to the zoo.
I'm
Nah,
gonna
they're
say
not
that,
brown snake,
yeah.
they're not.
Oh,
Keep an eye on anything coming
wow.
They're coming now. No. Yeah, I'll catch them.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
You sure
Stay
they're
away.
safe?
Stay away. Catch it?
Bro, you sure about that? They're
Yeah.
not deadly?
No, they're not deadly. They got big eyes.
Wow.
Just bury them
Where's
to
their
death.
mum?
Bury them alive.
So these are babies?
Yeah. What
Are
you
those
got?
babies
Mm.
attacking?
I think they're in the mess. I know what they're doing. They're intertwining somehow.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but I'm just guessing it's probably mating.
Mm. Should use them as bait.
Maybe and their girlfriend.
We should use them as bait, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe one is a girlfriend. That is
Kim, there could be more there. Big ones. How come the birds don't come get them?
I think they'll do. Bad.
Oh wow.
They're just flop.
They're gone up in the rocks. I'm guessing they live in these rocks
Yeah.
or... Yeah. Wow.
I think they go out for a little walk.
This rod is going off.
Good boy, yay!
He already caught 2 fish. We both, me and my brother-in-law got one. He lost it.
Come on.
It got off.
Come on.
I think it got off. Shit.
Come on. Is it Johnny? Johnny?
Or is it a small one?
Johnny?
Ah, it's there.
Take it. Please take it.
At one point I didn't even feel it.
David,
Another brim, guys. Second one.
look at this rock.
Here we go. Look who we have here, guys.
Hi, guys.
Let me just show. Yeah, man. So she brought snacks, sandwich, and there's juice and water inside of the igloo there. So yeah. But the fishing is slow so far, but we are going to kill sometimes same way, you know. Babe just had her first cast. Yeah, so let's see if she can bring it luck right now, you know.
Never know.
Yeah.
Let's see, guys.
Let's see. It's probably gone.
God! Ah! It's probably best.
Shit. She's getting a bite, girl.
That was a flathead by the looks of it. Oh, Kim, you caught 2 fish. Good boy. Wait, I'm going to come closer, guys.
Yeah.
Where's my fish up?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Mamacita out there.
Outside.
Alright guys, so we're about to leave this spot. It's very boring. We haven't caught much since. It's a nice one. Nice brim.
Good one, that one.
Oh, did you go? Oh, that's the bag right there?
Wow.
A lot. Can I see? Ooh. Got some big ones, man. Ooh, that's massive.
Nice.
Massive, man. I've never seen brim that big.
Wow.
Yeah. That's one of the Ni-Venuatu brothers. Yeah, man. So, hey guys.
Show me.
Some big brim, look at that one. Massive. So guys, going across back on the ferry. And yeah, it's just not worth it anymore to go fishing. We're gonna go to a different spot. But decide to just close it off for today. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were gonna go somewhere, but the weather looks really bad.
Yeah,
So we're just gonna leave it for another day, and
yeah, man.
So stay tuned for
Yeah.
another vlog.
So yeah, man. So give thanks for watching and definitely catch you in the next one. All right, blessings.